How's it going today, everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Shaner's Mechanic Life. Thought I'd do a quick little video for my Ford viewers. If any of you have this key fob and the battery's dead, and you want to know how to change it without busting the case, I'm going to show you how. You know, no one wants to have their key fob held together with Scotch tape and crazy glue. It just doesn't look very good. So they're actually quite simple to change once you know how to do it. So first thing you want to do is open up your key, and on the Ford logo side, if you look in the hole, you can see that little hole there. What you want to do is get a little mini screwdriver, gently pry up, go back to your front of the fob where the key part comes out, and just finish prying it up. And then your cover comes off. What you want to be careful of is there's a little clip here. If you pry by that, you run the risk of breaking it, and this just won't fit quite right again. And then to get the battery out, again, very easy. Just gently pry it out. Get your new battery, put it back in. Just in case anybody wants to know, part number on it is CR2032. Then you just put your battery in gently until it clips in. Get your cover, put the back on, and gently press down until you hear it click into place. Now your buttons are working again, and you're ready to roll. And your key doesn't look ridiculous because it's not all covered in Scotch tape and crazy glue. Anyway, hope this video helped you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments section. Hit that like button and subscribe. I got more videos coming. Anyway, have a good night, everybody, and thanks for watching.